Today's project, I'm switching out these deck posts. Looks like good timing as the bottom is rotted out and the post is starting to get a bend in it. This post for years was buried in the dirt, so I removed the dirt around the bottom and then dug a hole to place my hydraulic jack into it. I'm using the jack with the other new post I have to raise the deck slightly to take the weight off the existing post. Alright, time to break out the measuring tape and get the length of the post from the footing to the contact point on the beam. Time to mark the length on the new post. Quick note, I marked all four sides of the new post, as the rotary saw I'm using will not cut all the way through. So with the rotary saw, cut the post on all four sides. I wasn't able to get all the way through the post with the rotary saw, so I broke out the handsaw to finish off the job. Alright, time to grab the power sander and smooth out the surface. One last quick measurement to make sure we're still good. With the new one cut to the correct measurement, it's time to get back to the removal of the old post. Quick tip, some of the nails I wasn't able to get out, so I used a hacksaw blade and cut through the remainders. Once the post was detached from the top beam, I was able to lay it down on the ground as the bottom was very rotted. So I removed the nails here holding the old post in place. Quick tip before you install your new post, just give your beam a quick stain where the old post was attached. Before installing the new post, I sprayed the post bases with rust converter and this restored them nicely and I was able to paint them. For this project I used the existing footings and post bases. Alright, time to grab that new post and get it into position. I had a helper lower the jack while I leveled the new post on the existing footing. With the post leveled, I used structural connector screws instead of nails. And I'll have a link to these in the description below. Instead of nails, I used screws to secure the top of the post to the beam. I'll have a link to those in the description below. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any tips out there, please leave a comment and subscribe.